Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring compatibility. Check the pipe material and thread standard, because mismatched threads leak. Once confirmed, clean and deburr the male and female ends with a file and rag to ensure full engagement. Now apply PTFE tape, or pipe dope, starting at the first thread root, and wrap clockwise so the tape won't unravel during assembly. Make sure to leave the end thread clear so the tape doesn't get pushed into the line. You hand start the connection, aligning male and female threads straight and turning 2 to 3 complete turns to seat them without cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use a pipe wrench to add 1 to 3 full turns. Metal-to-metal contacts and the sealant determine how much. Steel needs more, plastic less. Make sure to brace the adjoining pipe so torque doesn't stress the system, and use a second wrench to hold the fitting if required. Check for smooth engagement as you tighten. You now restore pressure slowly and watch the joint closely for any seepage at both ambient and working pressures, because some leaks only appear under load. If a leak shows, first tighten a quarter to half turn. If that fails, depressurize, disassemble, reclean threads, and reapply sealant correctly before reassembling. Finally, avoid over-tightening to prevent cracked fittings. If threads are damaged, replace the fitting or use a repair coupling.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.